I received this DIY Mango Habanero sauce kit from Sauce Labs and wanted to show you guys how I made it. They sent all the spices and some bottles. All you need is salt, vinegar, and a blender. So after rinsing, you coarsely chop the chipotle and habanero. You will add them to the pan, toast them, add a cup of vinegar, 2 cups water, rest of the spices, and ooh, isn't it pretty? Then you simmer for 10 minutes. And be sure to stir that boy so it doesn't burn. The next step is to blend, but since I don't have a blender, I use a magic bullet, which worked just as well. You blend until smooth, and then when that's done, you season with salt before bottling. And getting the hot sauce into the bottle can be a bit tricky, but luckily for us, they provided a funnel in order to make this process a little bit easier. So after a little bit of shimmying and a little bit of shaking, I managed to get all the hot sauce in the bottle and then added the cap. Shake, 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 shake. Ta-da! So for the final step, I'm just adding the Sauce Lab label onto the bottle. And there you have it. You just made your very own Mango Habanero hot sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video and be sure to check out Sauce Lab for this DIY Mango Habanero sauce kit.